Brothers and sisters of the battlefield, today I stand before you not as a conqueror, but as a fellow warrior in the pursuit of freedom. I am Spartacus, a symbol of resilience, unity, and unwavering resolve. In each of your eyes, I see the flickering flame of defiance, the untamed spirit that refuses to be subdued. We have endured the chains of oppression, suffered the lash of our captors, and witnessed the injustices that have befallen us. But hear me now, my brave comrades. We were not born to be pawns in the games of the powerful, to be mere beasts in the arenas of their amusement. Deep within us flows the blood of warriors, of those who yearn for dignity and autonomy. Today we rise as a mighty force, united by a common purpose. The time for complacency has long passed. It is now, in this very moment, that we must summon our strength and courage to defy our oppressors. We shall no longer bow our heads in submission or accept the chains that bind us. Together, we shall wield our swords of determination, our shields of solidarity, and our spirits of unwavering resilience. In the face of adversity, we stand tall. We embrace the challenges that lie before us, knowing that it is through struggle that we forge our path to freedom. We are warriors, unyielding and fierce, ready to face any foe that dares to stand in our way. Let our battle cry echo through the ages, a resounding call to all those who yearn for liberation. Let our bravery inspire generations to come, a testament to the undying spirit of the oppressed. Today we stride forth not as mere warriors, but as conquerors of fate. I am Spartacus, a name whispered with awe across the battlefields of Rome, a symbol of unmatched strength, unwavering courage, and indomitable will. Within each of you I sense the untamed ferocity, the primal instinct that courses through your veins. We have endured the chains of servitude, tasted the bitterness of oppression, and witnessed the injustices inflicted upon us. But hear me now, my powerful comrades. We were not born to be tamed, to be held captive by the whims of our oppressors. Deep within us lies the untapped power of the untamed, the spirit of the wild that refuses to be broken. Today, we rise as one, united by a common purpose, the pursuit of liberty. The time for submission is long gone. Now is the hour to unleash the beast within, to unleash our wrath upon those who seek to enslave us. No longer shall we bow our heads to the yoke of servitude or bear the burdens of oppression. Together, we shall wield our weapons of defiance, our armor of resilience, and our spirits of unwavering fortitude. In the face of adversity, we stand unyielding. We embrace the challenges that lie before us, for it is through battle that we carve our path to freedom. We are warriors, relentless and fierce, prepared to face any adversary that dares to stand in our way. Let our roar echo across the land, a thunderous cry that shakes the very foundations of Rome itself. Let our valor inspire fear in the hearts of our enemies and hope in the hearts of the oppressed. Today we march as Spartacus, as warriors who refuse to be silenced. Let us etch our names in the annals of history, not as slaves, but as liberators, as those who defied the mighty Roman Empire and reclaimed their birthright. Onward to victory, my fellow beasts of battle. Together we shall unleash our fury upon the oppressors and pave the way for a future where freedom reigns supreme. Thank you, and may the gods grant us strength and fortune in our righteous cause.